When we talk about business success, one of the most important elements that cannot be ignored is the value proposition. A value proposition is more than just a sentence. It is the core promise that explains why customers should choose your product or service over others. In simple terms, it answers the question, why you, and not your competitors? Without a strong value proposition, even the most innovative product may fail to capture attention in a crowded market, because customers need a clear reason to care, to trust, and to buy. A compelling value proposition highlights the unique benefits of your offering, clarifies the problems it solves, and emphasizes what makes it different. It is not only about listing product features, instead, it is about showing real value, both tangible and emotional, that customers will gain. For example, Apple does not just sell smartphones, it promises innovation, design elegance, and a seamless ecosystem. Starbucks does not simply sell coffee. It sells comfort, consistency, and a sense of belonging. These examples show that a strong value proposition goes beyond the product itself and touches the customer's experience and perception. To create a compelling value proposition, the first step is to deeply understand your customers. This requires research, observation, and active listening. You need to identify their problems, frustrations, and unmet needs, while also exploring what motivates them and what they truly value. Do they care about saving money? Do they seek convenience and speed? Or are they looking for prestige, lifestyle, and emotional satisfaction? By identifying these insights, you can position your product in a way that directly connects with what matters most to them. The second step is to focus on differentiation. In every market, competition is inevitable. If your value proposition sounds generic, customers will have no reason to pick you. Differentiation can be based on product quality, price strategy, customer service, design, or even brand personality. Think about Netflix. Its value proposition centers on unlimited, on-demand entertainment anytime, anywhere, at an affordable cost. Meanwhile, Tesla's value proposition focuses on innovation, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology. Both brands succeed because they are not just offering products, but they are offering something distinct that competitors cannot easily replicate. Another essential element of a compelling value proposition is clarity. Many businesses fail because they use complicated language, technical jargon, or vague promises. Customers want simple, direct, and memorable messages. For instance, Slack's value proposition is clear: be more productive at work with less effort. It is short, understandable, and directly addresses the benefit. The lesson here is that a great value proposition does not need to be long. It just needs to be sharp, relevant, and easy to recall. At the same time, credibility is also important. Customers are skeptical, they want proof that your promise is real. This is where testimonials, case studies, product demonstrations, and data become powerful. For example, Zoom did not just say that it offers reliable video calls, it showed millions of daily users and organizations worldwide that trust the platform. This combination of promise and proof builds confidence, which transforms interest into actual customer loyalty. It is also worth mentioning that a value proposition should evolve. Markets change, customer expectations shift, and competitors innovate. What worked 5 years ago may not work today. Therefore, companies must continuously refine their value proposition, testing new messages, experimenting with offers, and adjusting to trends. Take Amazon as an example. Its value proposition evolved from being an online bookstore to becoming the everything store, and now it emphasizes speed, convenience, and personalized recommendations. Adaptation keeps the value proposition fresh and relevant in the eyes of the customer. To summarize, creating a compelling value proposition is not about crafting a catchy slogan, but about delivering real value that customers recognize and appreciate. It requires a deep understanding of customer needs, a clear point of differentiation, a simple and memorable message, credibility through evidence, and the flexibility to adapt over time. Businesses that master this will not only stand out from the competition, but also build lasting relationships with their customers. So, the next time you think about launching a product, building a brand, or growing a business, ask yourself, what is my value proposition? Why should customers choose me? And how can I make that promise so compelling that it becomes unforgettable? Because in today's competitive market, your value proposition is not just a statement, it is the foundation of your success.